Let me ask you a question, and I want you to be honest. How much money have you lost? Not because you didn't know how to trade, but because you couldn't wait to trade. The cost of boredom. You sit down at 8 a.m. You're ready, coffee beside you. But the market is choppy, messy, no setup in sight. Then your brain whispers, "You need to make money today. You didn't wake up early to stare at a screen." So you force a trade, a position that wasn't part of your plan. And what happens? The market instantly reverses. You're stopped out. And 10 minutes later, the real perfect setup appears. But now you're emotionally drained, or out of capital, to take it. If this sounds familiar, it doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It means you're struggling with the hardest skill in the entire game: patience. Today is about mastering that skill, rewiring your approach from a gambler to a sniper. Let's dive in. First, forgive yourself. Your struggle with patience is not a character flaw, it's biology. Humans evolved as hunters and gatherers. In nature, if you sit still doing nothing, you starve. Our brains learned to associate activity equals survival. In most jobs, this remains true. Lay more bricks, wall builds faster. Send more emails, close more deals. But trading is the opposite. The more you click, the more you lose. In this world, doing nothing is often the highest paid skill. When you feel that itch to click buy, simply because you're bored, that's dopamine begging for stimulation. You're not trading the market, you're trading your own need for excitement. The market is not an entertainment center, it is a wealth transfer device. Here is the paradigm shift that changes everything. Patience is not passive waiting. Patience is active stalking. Imagine a lion in tall grass, perfectly still for hours. Is the lion doing nothing? No, it is calculating, studying, conserving energy for the exact moment it strikes. When you sit at your charts without clicking, you are not idle. You are actively protecting your capital. You are stalking your setup. Every minute you avoid a bad trade, you keep money that the market would have otherwise taken. That alone is profit. The ultimate analogy: the machine gunner. The impatient trader fires constantly, wasting bullets, capital, shooting at noise, reacting to shadows. They run out of ammo long before the real target appears. The sniper. Few bullets, unmatched patience, willing to lie in the mud for days waiting for a specific target. Slow breathing, stillness. One shot, one kill. Your trading account is your ammo box. Every boredom trade is a bullet fired into the dirt. Trading mastery comes when you adopt the identity of the sniper. You don't get paid for how often you pull the trigger. You get paid for how well you hit the target. Here are 3 practical rules you can apply immediately. 1. The hands-off rule. Physically move your chair back. If your hand is on the mouse, your brain wants to click. Break the physical link to reduce impulsive trades. 2. Use alerts, not eyes. Staring at every tick is hypnosis. Set alerts at your key levels. Walk away. Let the market come to you. Return only when the alert triggers. 3. The "pay me to wait" mantra. Write on a sticky note, "I am paid to wait." Waiting is the job. Execution is simply the paycheck. The market is an infinite stream of opportunity. It will still be here tomorrow, next week, next year. You don't need to chase every move. You don't need to trade every day. The traders who make it, the ones who buy their freedom, are not the smartest or the fastest. They are the ones who waited the longest for the odds to align. You already have the strategy. You already have the knowledge. Now give yourself the final skill: patience. Be the sniper. Protect your capital. Let the easy trades come to you. If this resonated, hit the like button to help reach other traders battling impatience, and comment below, "I am a sniper." Claim the identity. Live it. Trade with it. Fade out.